Hi there everyone, it's Miss Ashman here from W Performing Arts. Hope you're all doing really well. This is a session on notation and we're going to be concentrating on our crochet beats, our 1 beat notes. Okay, so let me show you a little bit of notation first of all. Here we go. Okay, so let's do a little bit of crochet notation. First of all, we're going to look at our notes here. We have a black dot with a stick and this is a crochet. This is worth 1 beat worth of music. At the very beginning of our music we have 2 4s. This is telling us that there are 4 beats in a bar, and a bar is up to these little lines. These are called bar lines, and in between each of these lines you should have 1, 2, 3, 4 beats. And underneath on our first example here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are our beats of the bar. Let's count with me. Ready? After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we are playing our music, we've got to get creative with how we're going to do it. Now, if you've had sessions with me before, we've used body percussion, and that could be any part of the body that you tap. We could click our fingers, we could clap our hands, you could tap your legs, you could tap your shoulders, you can do anything that you want that makes a sound. You could get even more creative. I quite like raiding the kitchen drawers and getting out my wooden utensils, so I have a spoon and a fork here. And if I turn them round, it's like having drumsticks and I can tap these together, or like having claves or wood blocks, which is quite a nice sound to tap. So this is what I'm going to be using. Get creative and find yourself an instrument. Okay, so we're going to tap the pulse now. So we've just talked about it. We've spoken through our numbers and our counting. So this time I want you to play while I count. So here we go. Here we go. So I'm going to count to 4 and then we start tapping whatever instrument we have chosen. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. And we did all of these notes that are in this first box here. Now if you look at the box at the bottom, we've just taken away the numbers, so you can see the clear lines here. And you can see the 4 beats in between. Now what we're going to do, we're going to play both of these lines together. So all together, if your maths is good, we have 4 beats in a bar. We have 4 bars in a line. If anybody knows what 4 times 4 is, fantastic. It is 16. If we have 2 sets of 16, does anybody know their maths here? We would be playing 32 beats. Okay, so I'm going to put my rhythm on. Here we go. So if we feel the pulse, because this is talking about pulse, the pulse is the natural bounce of the music. It keeps everybody in time. If you have more than one person, you definitely need the pulse ticking along. Here we go. We're going to count it. We're going to tap it. 32 beats worth after 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lovely. Okay. So we've been tapping out 1, 2, 3, 4s all along. Now we're going to move on here. We now have lots of notation written in front of us. Now we have our crochet note here, which is this one at the top on number 1. And if you look at number 2, 3 and 4, we have a wiggly line here, a wiggly line. And that is also a crochet, but it's called a crochet rest. Now when you rest, you might sleep, you just chill, you don't do anything. So when you are resting, you are not playing your instrument. So when we count this time, we've got to play on 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, only 1. So let's try line number 1. Here we go. After 4, here we go. Get ready, steady. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. line 2. Now if you look at line 2, we have a rest on our first beat and we play on beat 2. So this time we're going to go 1, play, 3, 4, 1, play, 3, 4. And we're going to do it 4 times. So let's have another go. Here we go. Ready? On 2, you will play. After 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lovely. Well done. Now, at any point, you can go back over what you've done already. If it's too much too soon, you can go back and have another go at that little rhythm before we move on to number 3. So if we have a look at number 3 here, our 1 and 2s both have the squiggle, so they're crochet rest, so we don't play. But if you look at beat number 3, we have our black dot, we have our stick. This is the one we are going to play. And again, it happens for 4 bars. So we do it 4 times, playing on beat 3. Let's give it a go. Here we go. After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lovely. Okay, so now we're going to go into our 4th line, and if we look at number 4, we have 3 crochet rests in a row and we play on our 4th beat, and we again are going to do it for 4 goes. Here we go. After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lovely. So now we have gone through all 4 of those different rhythm patterns. Again, stop the video, go back and do them again. Do it as many times as you want before we put them all together. Now, down the side we have some different numbers. We're not going to worry about what that means at the moment because we will cover that in another lesson. But we're going to use these and we're going to play along, and we're going to do line 1, straight into line 2, straight into line 3, straight into line 4, okay? When we get to the end, I'm going to do it all over again, so we do it twice through, and we should be able to change those beats on each line. Let's give it a go. After 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Change to beat 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Change to beat 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Change to beat 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get ready to go back to 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Change to beat 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Change to beat 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change to beat 4. Here it goes. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lovely. So I hope you've enjoyed using your crotchets and your crochet rests. Use this video and practice it as many times as you want, because next week's video we're going to be getting a little bit harder. Okay, take care. See you next time. Bye.